If you're planning a trip that involves visiting several locations, Google Maps allows you to add multiple stops to a single route. This feature is useful for errands, deliveries, road trips, business visits, or any journey where you need to travel to more than one destination. To get started, open Google Maps in your browser and search for the main destination you want to visit. Once the location appears, click Directions to begin creating a route. Next, enter your starting location. Google Maps will automatically calculate the route and display estimated travel times based on your selected mode of transportation. After the initial route is created, look below the Destination field for the option labeled Add Destination. This feature allows you to insert additional stops without creating separate routes. Click Add Destination and enter the next place you want to visit. Google Maps will update the route and include the new stop in the journey. If you need to visit more locations, continue using Add Destination to build a route with multiple stops. Each new location will be added to the route planner and displayed in the route list. One of the most useful features is the ability to rearrange stops. Simply drag a stop up or down in the list to change the order of your trip. Google Maps will automatically recalculate the route based on a new sequence. This flexibility makes it easier to organize your travel efficiently. For example, you can group nearby locations together, reduce unnecessary driving, or prioritize certain destinations before others. As you add and rearrange stops, Google Maps updates the estimated travel time and route details. This allows you to see how each change affects your overall journey before you leave. Using multiple stops in a single route can help save time, improve planning, and reduce the need to repeatedly search for new destinations during your trip. Whether you're running errands around town or organizing a larger travel itinerary, this feature provides a convenient way to manage everything in one place. And that's how you add multiple stops along a route in Google Maps. Create your route, use Add Destination to insert additional locations, reorder them as needed, and review the updated route before starting your trip.